Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, aka Sugar21 here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a Boxycharm fall look with all of the Anastasia Beverly Hills items. So if you guys want to see what kind of look I come up with, just keep on watching. So first we're going to go in with the Sephora Glow Primer. Okay, so I got the primer on. Now I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Magic Nude Liquid Powder in the shade Buff Beige. So, just gonna take some, put it on my face. I'm going to use the Creme Shop Skinny Blending Sponge. Okay, my foundation is on, so I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I just put a tiny drop. And then I'll just go in with the other side, kind of blend it out a little more. Okay, so now that we got the concealer on, we're gonna go in with the Sephora face palette, and we're gonna go in with the bronzer. And we're gonna use my Mermaid makeup brush. These headbands don't work to keep the makeup off. Okay, now we're gonna go in with this pink peachy coral blush. And it is very pigmented, so you kind of just want to lightly tap it. We cannot forget to contour the nose, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to contour my nose using that same brown. Now we're gonna go into the Anastasia products. This is the Anastasia Loose Highlighter in Peach Fizz. And look at the packaging, you guys. Isn't that so adorable? I'm obsessed. That is very pinky. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit just above the blush area. Oh, I see it. You see that? And it's not what I thought it was gonna be, so it is okay. It is okay. If you use it lightly, I guess. A little bit on the Cupid's bow. That was a little deceiving. Next up, we're gonna go into the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder, and it is in the shade Translucent. This is a product that I have never tried before, so I am excited about this one. And we're gonna use my new Chic blush brush to put this all over. And that is very white. I'm hoping it'll be okay. I think I put too much. I think you could use it for baking also. I believe it seals in the look. Next, we're gonna go in with the ABH Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume number 3. And this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't that adorable? And inside are these beautiful colors. I'm going to be using the Chic 5-piece eye kit. So first we're gonna go in with the B5 right here, and we're gonna use the shadow brush. Whoa, they are pretty pigmented. I probably should have just tapped it one time. I think I tapped it 3 times. It is pretty pigmented. I'm gonna tap it on there. And this is a very good base color. I definitely would say that. Perfect for the fall. Now we're gonna go into D1 using the crease brush. I'll just take one little tap and kind of work it in slowly, because I don't know how pigmented it really is. And sorry if you hear some kind of car alarms going off in the background. It's not a car alarm, it is a kind of like a construction worker out there. They're tearing down the apartment complex building that is extremely close to us because it burnt down. It was about 4 apartments, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Extremely sad. All 4 families lost their homes in an awful fire, but I'm glad that nobody was injured or hurt. Everyone got out safely except I think one cat, one little Siamese cat. I was so sad when I heard that, losing its life in the fire. Super sad. And that looks kind of like an orangey fall leafy color. Definitely. And it is very pigmented. So you can choose to use your finger or the brush, but the brush will work perfectly. Okay, now we're gonna do the same to the other eye. Now I'm going to take this C1 and place it on the inner corner of my eye using the eye detailer. I'm gonna use my finger because it's not working properly with the brush. It looks very similar to this part of the eye. Excuse me. I'll do the same on the other side. Now I'm going to go in to A3 and do a little bit of the crease here. And I do see that it's very pigmented and it's very orangey. So we're going to have to go back into, I'm going to do D2 on that outer corner. And it does have some fallout, so let's kind of slide that off. And on the inner crease, we're going to go in with D1. I'm very pigmented, very pigmented. We're gonna go in with the C1 just on the upper area up here, right beneath the brow. Sorry if the lighting is off. my phone storage got full, so I had to go in and delete a few things. So now we're gonna go in with the Anastasia tinted brow gel in the color chocolate, and this is what it looks like. I think I want to line my brows first, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my brows with the Face Shop Tattoo Station brow pencil. First we're gonna brush them up. And the eyebrows are lined. So this is my first time I'm going to be using the Anastasia brow gel. This is what it looks like. I don't know if it looks too thick, but leave a comment down below letting me know if you think it's too thick or if it's just right. So I've never used this before, so I'm not sure if I'm doing it the right way. Now I'm gonna go in with my Salon Perfect brow pomade and my mermaid brush. Now we're going to use the Anastasia false lashes in Snazzy. So they are kind of snazzy. These are really pretty. Okay, so I have an eyelash in my hand and both of them are breaking off. I don't know if it's on purpose or if it's just to take off the glue, but both of these little pieces were coming off, so I just ripped them off. Okay, eyelashes are on and they're probably not looking the best, but this is the best that I could do for today. Because I was struggling. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the falsies from Maybelline and just do the lower eyelash line. Next, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Heathers. And this is what it looks like. Like a little dark for me, but since we are going with the fall theme and with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Boxycharm, we're gonna use it. And since this color is a little bit on the darker side, we're gonna go over with this shade. This is the Victoria's Secret Pure Metal Intense Lip Lacquer in the shade Glow. So this is going to give it a little bit of a vibrance look and lighten this color up a little bit. And this is the final look.